American national identity has always been evolving along history on the concept of a melting pot, which integrates the diversity of many ethnic, cultural background of national minorities who come to America as immigrants to evolve into one entity called America. And Americanism today is reflected in the patriotism of the shared interest of all these immigrants who come into one entity in order to try to espouse the concepts of democracy, liberty, and freedom. And the stakes of the Americans in the world is that the fact that they try to spread the concept of democracy to make the world a better place to live for all people.